Now, you know, in year 2024, you definitely should not joke with veritable investment and off-plan properties here on the island. Now, this is the major reason why I'm presenting to you the most lovely three-bedroom penthouse with a very beautiful water view and a view of the Ikoyi Link Bridge in Lekki Phase 1. This has to be one of the most luxurious off-plan properties I've come across. Now, one of the major things I like about this property is, firstly, you can key in with minimum initial deposit of 40 to 50%, and you can spread your balance for up to 10 months while we are delivering by April or May in 2024. Because majority of the work has been done, we are like 85% close to completion of this project. The asking price for this property is just 500 million. We can get you a deal, something really less on that particular price. We can get you as less as something around 470 or 460 million, depending on what you're looking to do, right? Now, I'm going to be giving you a full tour of this lovely project, which is in Lekki Phase 1, a 3-bedroom penthouse facing the water and also giving you a lovely and luxurious view of the Ikoyi Link Bridge here in this property. Join me on this tour and I would love to show you. Thank you. Yeah, so we are currently at this property. This is the estate this property is situated. It's a very serene, calm neighborhood. You definitely will love to live in this place. Or if you want to buy this property for investment purpose, it is also a very nice one. So let me take you on a tour. Now, the moment you step in, the car park is actually on the other side. So you drive all the way down to that side to the car park. And so all this area, you still have it as a car park space. Yeah, so this is the entrance to the 3-bedroom penthouse, and as you can see, you have lots of natural light coming in from the windows. So you have very high ceiling to floor windows right here. You know, it attracts a lot of natural light, lots of, you know, fresh air coming into your space. So you can see how spacious your living room is right here in this space. Then you have your dry kitchen right here. So everything is going to be set up pretty much soon. And in this place, you have your wet kitchen. So you have your wet and dry kitchen. Then when you step out, this is where you have your boys' quarter. Your boys' quarter is there. It is actually one of the biggest boys' quarters I've seen so far. It is quite dark in there, but it's fine. So let's go back inside. So, and right here you have your guest toilet. It's actually very sizable as well. So this is the first room. It has its own balcony, and you still enjoy a lovely view of the water from here. And one of the things I like about apartments are apartments that the wardrobes does not encroach into the space of the room. So you can see you have a different, like a secluded wardrobe area right here. Then this is the toilet and bath, and you can see the shower, rain shower right here, which is very big and, you know, high to the ceiling, which is one thing I love about, you know, this kind of luxurious homes. So you can see your wash and basin, which is currently going to be installed soon, the WC, and there is definitely going to be a bathtub right here. So it is really well set. So this is your wardrobe section as well. So let's step out. So we still have like lots of material right here, but then again, this does not hinder me from showing you what you need to see. So you can see right here is where you have the private cinema. of your unit. The private cinema is going to be here, which is very, very big. You're going to be able to accommodate, up to 6 people to, view anything you want to watch. It is very luxurious. I love it. Then this is the second room. So this is the second room right here. Yeah, so this is the second room, and you have this toilet and bath, which is also very nice. Then showing you the last room very quickly. Yeah, so this is the last room. Also very spacious. The wardrobe is going to be somewhere around here, and you have your toilet and bath right here as well. Very spacious area. Every single thing is well detailed, and you can see the wooden floor that has also been done to blend into the white floor in the other side of the house. So it is a very lovely property. So another thing I love about this property is this staircase that leads you to a sit-out upstairs. You understand? So aside having this balcony space where you can, you can have like a private party or small get-together with your friends and family, you can also have that side where you have like a sit-out to just enjoy cool in the evening. You're enjoying a very lovely view of the city, of the water. Everything is just really a very lovely experience at the end of the day. So at XLHomes Realty, what we basically try to do is to sell experience to you. You want to live a luxurious life in Lagos. After the old hustle and bustle, you definitely want a place that you can really call home, and it is safe and secured. So this property is in a very safe and secured estate, and it's really lovely. Now trust me, this property is selling for 500, but we can get it for you for even as low as 460 million naira. With 40% initial deposit, you can key into any of the penthouse. We have just 2 units left of the 3-bedroom penthouse, and you can spread your balance for up to 10 months. We're delivering this by April or May, and we are definitely looking to give you the best experience on this property. Ensure you dial my number to get a very huge discount on this property, and you're getting the best deal at the end of the day. Thank you very much for your time. I remain your best real estate expert at Diola Sanusi, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for your time. Cheers.